I want to attract the attention of CBSE board towards the results of Rajasthan Education Board of class 10 and class 12, Chhattisgarh state 10th and 12th board result 2021. I want to further acknowledge also CBSE, and they have also come to know that the results of ICSE 10th and ISC results 12th class also have been declared. All these boards have given very good marks. ICSE 10th and 12th ISC, they have their highest marks is 99.7%. Likewise, Rajasthan board has also given the same type of marks. Chhattisgarh state board has also given just like same. I want to request CBSE board, because their result have not been published so far, neither of class 10 nor of class 12. Few days back, when some of the schools which are affiliated to CBSE, they had uploaded the marks of class 10 and class 12, and you rejected their marks and told that 95, each and every student cannot achieve 95% or 100% marks. That is not justifiable. You had issued the letters also to those schools. You see, I want to again further request and attract the eyes of CBSE, and consider the situation of COVID. All the students of CBSE equally, like the students of ICSE or any other state boards students, they have also suffered through COVID pandemic era, and this was the reason that you had cancelled their exam ultimately. Our Honorable Prime Minister has cancelled the exam, CBSE exam. So all these things have been considered by Rajasthan board, ICSE board, and Chhattisgarh board, and any other board, state boards, which have given very good marks to these students. Likewise, you have also opportunity, because so far you have not declared neither the class 10 result nor class 12 result. You have told Supreme Court to declare it by 31st July, so far as class 10 result is concerned. You have the opportunity, sir. You have the opportunity to give good marks to these students also, because equally your students also have suffered through COVID pandemic situations. Only they have gone through the online classes. Many rural areas are there where online classes were not possible. So and moreover, when they will be going for the higher studies, if you will be giving less marks in comparison to the students passing out through the board of ICSE and ISC and Rajasthan board or Chhattisgarh board, your students will be lagging behind, and other boards students will be getting good opportunity. I am not against of them. Rather, I will praise their boards. They have shown the maturity to give good marks, because their students will not be lagging behind. same decision you should also take, so that your students also must get good marks to get good opportunity to take admission in higher studies. So, so please sir, I request you to provide good marks to your students also, so that they also must be getting equal opportunities like other students, so that a fairness amongst all the students must be there, and a cordial relation must be there amongst all of them. Thank you very much. Bye bye. If anybody is liking, any parent is liking, any student is liking my video, please subscribe it, share it, and like it, so that this message must reach to others also, and this voice must reach to the to CBSE also, and they must give the marks in a sympathetic way, in an emotional way to their students also. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.